Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Mira, the podcast where we help you speak real English, natural English, confident English, every single week. I'm Jay.
And I'm Mira. So happy to have you here today.
We are just starting this journey, and if this episode helps you, hit that subscribe button right now. It genuinely means everything to us.
No textbooks, no boring drills. Let's go.
Mira, something happened this week, and I have to share it.
Tell me, what happened?
So, my colleague Sarah, she had a job interview last Tuesday. First question, very simple. What do you do?
Okay, and what did she say?
She said, I work in a company. That's it. 4 words. Full stop. Complete silence.
The interviewer is still waiting.
Still waiting. And Sarah looked at me later and said, was that okay?
And was it?
It was not wrong, but it was not enough. Not nearly enough.
And that is exactly today's topic. Because what do you do is one of the most common questions in English. And most people answer it the same boring way.
Today, we change that.
Today, one topic. How to talk about your job in English. We cover 3 real situations: meeting someone new, a job interview, and casual conversation. And we give you the exact phrases for each one.
By the end of today, what do you do will never feel scary again.
Never again.
Mira, let me show everyone how most people answer this. Ask me.
Sure. Jay, what do you do?
I work in a company. Done.
That's it?
I answered the question. I work in a company.
Jay, that tells me absolutely nothing about you.
What do you mean? I told you I work.
Every person on this planet works somewhere. What do you do? What is your role? What do you actually handle every day?
Oh.
Yes. Oh. Same question, different answer. Watch.
I work in marketing. I'm responsible for managing social media for a tech company. What I enjoy most is the creative side. No 2 days are exactly the same.
Now that is an answer. Same person, same job, completely different impression.
It actually feels more like a conversation than an interview.
Because it is a conversation. That is the goal. If you have been saying, I work in a company, or I am an engineer, and stopping there, you are not alone. Most English learners answer this question the same short way. Not because their English is weak, but because nobody showed them how to build a natural answer. Today, we show you exactly how.
Okay, so how do I build a better answer? Because honestly, I never know how much to say.
Think of it like a sandwich. Every good answer has 3 layers. Bottom layer, what you do. Middle layer, what you handle or enjoy. Top layer, one personal detail.
A sandwich answer.
A sandwich answer. Bottom layer first, your field. Not just, I work in a company, but I work in marketing, or I am in the tech industry, or I work with clients in the finance sector.
So be specific about the field?
Always. The field tells the person something real about your world. Then, middle layer. What you actually handle. Use phrases like, I am responsible for, I deal with, I handle.
So instead of, I am an engineer, I say, I'm an engineer, I handle the technical side of construction projects.
Exactly. Already sounds like a completely different person.
And the top layer, the personal detail?
One sentence about what you enjoy or find interesting. What I enjoy most is, or, I have been doing this for about X years and I still love. This is the layer that makes you memorable.
So the sandwich is what I do, what I handle, what I enjoy.
3 layers, one natural answer. Every single time.
I am genuinely hungry now.
Focus, Jay. And quickly, If you are finding this useful, subscribe to Talk Mira. New episode every single week.
The button is right there. We are watching.
We are not watching, but please do it anyway.
Okay, same sandwich rule works everywhere? Like at a party too? Not just interviews?
Same sandwich, just smaller portions. At a party, you do not need a full explanation. Something like, I am in marketing, mostly digital stuff. What about you? Short, natural, and you immediately turn it back to them.
Oh, turning it back to them is important.
Always, because conversation is a tennis match. You hit the ball, then you send it back. What about you? And what do you do? Have you been in that field long? These small questions keep the conversation alive.
I used to just answer and then stand there in silence waiting for them to say something.
We know, Jay. We all noticed. Try it right now. Pause this episode. Say your sandwich answer out loud. Field, responsibility, personal touch. Just once, out loud.
We will wait.
We actually will.
Welcome back. How did it feel? Okay, Mira, ask me. Properly this time.
So, Jay, what do you do?
I work in podcasting. I'm responsible for the content and the conversations. I have been doing it for a while now, and honestly, what I enjoy most is that every episode teaches me something new. What about you, Mira?
I help people speak English naturally. I work on explaining things in a way that actually makes sense. I find it genuinely rewarding when someone goes from confused to confident.
That felt like a real conversation.
Did everyone hear that? Jay used all 3 sandwich layers. What he does, what he handles, what he enjoys. Then he turned it back with, what about you? And not once did he say, I work in a company.
Never again.
Quick fix time! Wrong. I work in a company. No detail, no personality, no conversation. Right. I work in field. I am responsible for what you handle. What I enjoy most is personal detail. Remember, answer like a sandwich. Field, responsibility, personal touch. 3 layers. Always. Every time you said, I work in a company, you were just doing what felt safe. Now you have something better.
And before we go, if you watch this episode, I have a feeling you will love our could versus would episode too. Most people use these wrong every single day, including in professional conversations just like the ones we talked about today.
It is on your screen right now, 1 click away.
Could you watch it, or would you watch it? Actually, watch our episode to find out which one is correct.
That was very smooth, Jay.
I have my moments, so next time someone asks, what do you do? Think sandwich, field, responsibility, personal touch. 3 layers, and suddenly, you sound like someone worth remembering.
And if today helped, subscribing takes 1 second, and it genuinely means the world to us. We make this for you every single week.
I'm Jay.
I'm Mira.
Keep talking, keep growing.
This is Talk Mira.